Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add checkboxes in contact form 7. So now here I have gender field. Now I want to add some checkboxes. So let me go in website dashboard and then click here contact forms. Scroll down and click here contact form 1. Scroll down. So now first of all, let me remove this one and then add a label. For example, select a service, then click here to add checkboxes. So these are the options. Now click on insert tag. So for example, option 1, web design, SEO, marketing. Then click on save button and reload this page. So now checkboxes are added in contact form.